Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Theodore here, and today we're going to be doing something really fun, something really interesting. We are going to be looking at the cameras that I took to San Diego with me. Holy crap, 2 videos in 1 week. I know, I'm just killing it here. I realized while I was doing a video for these 2 guys that I didn't make one for this one, and this one has been hiding on the shelf for months. And the film has been sitting on my desk for months and I have not developed it yet until last week when I sent it off to Accurate, and they finally developed it for me. So exciting. And I got my pictures that night. Crazy, like they just, as soon as they received it, I got it that night. They're crazy fast. I don't know what they do. They probably just develop film all day. I don't know what they do. By the way, not sponsored whatsoever. Again, I paid for my own pictures. So, there. We are going to be looking at the pictures from the Kodak Breeze camera. This is the camera. Kodak Breeze. And then we are also Pentax iQZoom 700. And then also the Pentax iQZoom 700. This is such a long name for this camera, but it makes sense because this camera is huge. It also comes with its own strap, see, and it even has this little thing to put on your shoulder, which is so nice and convenient because it is really heavy. So that is the pictures we're going to be looking at today. So yeah, let's go. Yeah. It's so dark today, guys. I really hope I can get this picture. But yeah! Oh, can you record with this? Yeah, I was confused what you were saying. I was confused. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna be using this Kodak camera. I don't think I got it. Yeah, this is better. Okay,
this is good. This is a good pose.
Okay, I got it.
Wow, that's a really cool camera.
Oh, thank you. I did it.
Where did you get that camera?
I just thrifted it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
No, can we get like a warm?
Okay.
It's so bright. We need sunglasses.
Kasha's gonna take a picture for me. Okay, I'm gonna advance it for you. Or do you want to do it? Let's let you do it. All your
videotape?
Oh, that's okay. I'll just leave it there.
Are you sure?
Okay, I'm done. Okay, and then you just push this button, okay?
Okay, how about, where am I, what do you want?
So I want this whole thing right here behind
Then should I draw it like
that. Put it that way.
Okay.
Right here.
A little bit to this one. Okay, perfect.
You did it!
Yeah.
That was it!
Alright.
That was it! She did it, everybody! She did it!
Are you cool? Alright.
Arigato, guys.
Wait, but Cow is not even in the photo. Not even.
You're not in frame.
Okay, there you go.
There you go. I don't think you're in frame anymore now either.
It's okay. Yay! Thank you. Guys, that's so pure. Look at the bird drink water.
Look at that guy.
Look at how cute he is. Aww, he's drinking water.
Probably behind you went the opposite way.
We got it! Okay. Hopefully I look a little different. 1, 2, 3. Nice. We are here today at Liberty Station in San Diego, and we're gonna eat breakfast. But guys, look at this place. It's so pretty. Look. I get it's too bright. You guys can't see. Hold on. There you go. Person for letting me borrow your car. It'll help if I advance the film. Do it this way. Oh my. Oh my god, no, I took a picture of the floor! Okay guys, I'm gonna take a picture here behind the fence. Okay. Oh my god, guys, I think I got it. Okay, I'm happy now. I got it. Oh my god. It won't take a picture of me. So sad. I don't know why, but it's not taking a picture. Only when you put your face. Thanks for coming with me. I did it. This camera. I want to take a picture of that yellow house. Yeah! Guys, stand there. I'm going to take a picture of you. Where are the yellow houses? Meet me at the yellow house. Pose under the tree. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you. It really smells like seafood. It smells really good. I think it smells like a seafood market because there's crab catchers there and there's like a restaurant here. I'm gonna take a picture. I'm gonna try to put the hat in there, you know, so like it's like a little beachy vibe.
Yeah. In the background at least. Thank you. How you want? Oh. 1, 2, 3.
Guys, look, there's a little lizard gecko-y guy over there.
I think it's just a lizard.
Oh, it's a lizard? Guys, this is the cutest house in the world. Okay, hold your hand like this and go like this. Hold your, like your guys' hand. Yep. Like that. Yep, both of you guys, all of you guys. All. Yeah, like that, You guys got it? Okay, do that. Do what they're doing. I'm gonna take a picture. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, let me advance the film. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I hope I didn't catch you going,
Probably might sit back home. Yeah. Does anyone go on the water? I'll go, like, but not all the way in. You wanna go? Or does another gonna stand me? Okay, you wanna go? Are you gonna go in the water? I'll go.
Oh guys, the bun is back. I really miss my bun, but then I still have all this baby hair, so I need it to grow out.
Whatever.
No.
do it.
How do I do it?
I don't know.
Wait, don't aim at us. Aim that way.
Yeah, go in reverse.
How do I do it? I'm my car right now.
There you go. Bye, Tao. Don't fall, please. Tao, Tao, Tao. Yes.
It's girl.
Look at you go.
You're doing like 10 years.
Wow,
Yeah.
you're so fast.
Guys, this Zoom came out for macro. I'm doing a macro shot. Why are these flowers all dead? I want a live flower. Oh my god. I did it. Golden hour. Guys, there's a bird. I'm gonna try to zoom in. Okay, fine. Where's the bird? Oh, I'm in like direct sunlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We are currently in Little Tokyo.
So cute.
It's really cute here, but everything is closed.
I know.
Nothing opens until 11, and we're here at like 9. Because we really wanted to come to LA without traffic, so we're
like,
here
it
now,
makes
but
me
there's nothing
think of,
open.
like, a cute little...
We're gonna go to Smorgasburg later, so it'll be fun. Smorgasburg.
Can I get two? Thank you.
Oh my gosh,
It's my favorite. Can I get a bit of...
Aloha. I did it! Guys, LA Chinatown. I don't know where this spot is, but look! Cameras! Super old cameras. Honestly, I would not buy any of these. I don't know how to use them, and they're super duper 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 heavy. But they look really cool though. Actually, I really like the what is it called? I can't remember what it's called. I'll put it in the video, but I really like the ones that look like kind of like that one. But no, these are too big and too heavy. I cannot carry one around. Oh yeah. Rolleiflex, that's the one that I was looking for. Bedford. Do these people collect cameras or something? There's a ton of cameras. We're going to Koreatown after do Korean barbecue. Is it in Koreatown? The Korean park? Yeah. Oh, yahoo!
Oh, I don't see them. I feel like they were really close to us.
I don't know where they are. I think they're over there, maybe.
Oh, they're taking pictures.
Or is that them? Yep. Are you sure that's them?
I think so.
That's not them.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure that's not them.
Oh yeah, you're right, you're right. It looked like it.
All Asians look alike then, I guess. Alina, I can't believe you're so racist to Asian people. What are you? Look at the dog jump up. He's so cute. No, he didn't jump. I missed the jump. He was like, Mom! So we are not really buying anything, just here for fun. Oh, these pants are nice. The cute face. Look at the cute face. Yeah, it looks kind of like real life, right?
A little bit darker.
Oh, a little bit darker?
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That right there. Guys, I'm on my last exposure. We're on the 24th one now. I'm gonna take a picture of this beautiful sunset. I don't know if I'm done or not. It says 24, but I don't know. Okay, I think I got your silhouette. Can you move over to this more? Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
is it? Oh, it's done! It's done! Yay! What is that? Oh, it's rewinding. We are here now in Balboa Park. This is our last day, and then we're gonna head back. Okay, I'm gonna use my iPhone camera. This Ajima hat really comes in hand, like walking the dog, going to Balboa Park. Highly, highly recommend. You can buy these anywhere. I got mine from my friend in Korea, but
is this your San Diego?
20 more minutes. This is my
San Diego outfit. Yeah, in Shake Shack. Ooh, yeah, girl. Those. Oh.
with my Ajima hat.
But my favorite part is definitely these.
10/10 would recommend. Guys, for some reason this reminds me of Atlantis, the Forgotten City. See, this is the Atlantis in the Forgotten City part. It's a building over here. Wow, guys, this is so cool. This looks like something in Around the World in 90 days or something like that. I'm so sad. I put all my cameras in the luggage and now I don't have any film cameras to take pictures with.
Girl, do you think we can get in there?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Should we try?
Okay, I'm gonna try. We'll see.
Guys, biggest regret of my life right now, not bringing my freaking film camera because I thought we weren't gonna go anywhere special today, so I was like, oh, it's okay since we're going back, so I'm not gonna pack my film camera. But no, look at this.
It's red like a mystery.
Oh my god, no, no, I'm living in my regrets right now. This is so sad. I'm gonna enjoy it while I can. Alrighty now, guys, we are back here now in my filming room, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me take pictures of all those things in San Diego with my friends using these two cameras. I really enjoyed taking pictures with this one because I don't know, for some reason this camera just eludes an aura of I'm gonna take really good pictures. So that is exactly what it did. It took really crisp and nice vibrant photos. And this one actually, I wasn't really sure about this guy, but this one really surprised me because all the pictures turned out really good. So yeah, I was really happy with both of these cameras. And I did use the disposable, the Rite Aid disposable camera for 2 pictures, but that'll be for another video. So yeah, hold on, let's turn this one on. This one actually has a zoom function right here too, but it doesn't work, so it doesn't zoom anymore. It's just like this, which is okay. I mean, I didn't really need to zoom in or anything, but it would be nice if I could use the zoom. So yeah, both of these pictures, both of the cameras took super nice photos, and I couldn't be any happier. And so yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you guys did, please do give a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.